5 seconds to go. Start. Goa has an important role in reviving the tourism sector. If the people of the hotel industry, taxi drivers, hawkers, shopkeepers, and everyone are vaccinated, the tourists will also come here with a sense of security. Now, Goa has joined the very few international tourist destinations in the world where people have got the protective shield of the vaccine. Friends, we wish that there are tourist activities as before and tourists from all over the country and the world come and enjoy here in the next tourism season. This is possible only when we pay as much attention to the precautions related to corona as we are giving on vaccination. The infection has subsided, but still we do not have to take this virus lightly. The more the focus is on safety and hygiene, the more tourists will come here. Friends, recently the central government has also taken several steps to encourage foreign tourists. It has been decided to give free visas to 5 lakh tourists visiting India. Loan up to rupees 10 lakh is being given to the stakeholders related to travel and tourism with 100% government guarantee. Loans up to rupees 1 lakh have also been provided to registered tourist guides. The central government is also committed to take every step forward which will help in the rapid progress of the tourism sector of the country. Friends, in order to make Goa's tourism sector attractive, the infrastructure is getting the double power of a double engine government for the benefit of the farmers, fishermen, and others. Unprecedented work is being done in Goa, especially on infrastructure related to connectivity. The Greenfield Airport being built in Mopa is going to be ready in the next few months. A 6 lane modern highway is being built at a cost of about 12,000 crore rupees to connect this airport with the national highway. Thousands of crores of rupees have been invested in Goa in the last few years only in the construction of national highways. It is also a matter of great pleasure that the Juari Bridge, which will connect North Goa with South Goa, is also going to be inaugurated in the next few months. As you also know, this bridge connects Panji with Madgaon. I am told that the Aguada Fort, a witness to the unique saga of the Goa Liberation War, will also be reopened to the public soon. Brothers and sisters, the legacy of Goa's development left by Manohar Parikar ji is being carried forward by my friend Dr. Pramod ji and his team with full dedication. When the country is moving forward with a new resolve of self reliance during the epoch of independence, Goa has also taken the pledge of Swayambhurna Goa. I have been told that construction of more than 50 components in Goa has started under this resolution of Atmanirbhar Bharat Swayambhurna Goa. This shows the seriousness of Goa in creating new employment opportunities for the youth and to achieve the national goals. Friends, today Goa is not only a leader in COVID vaccination but also among the leading states of the country in many parameters of development. The rural and urban areas of Goa are becoming completely open, defecation free. Satisfactory work is also being done in Goa regarding basic amenities like electricity and water. Goa is the only state in the country where 100% electrification has been done. Goa has done wonders as far as tap water to every household is concerned. The effort of providing tap water to every household in rural Goa is commendable. Under the Jal Jeevan mission, the country has so far connected about 5 crore families with piped water facilities in the last 2 years. The way Goa has taken this campaign forward also makes explicit the priority of the government of Goa towards good governance and ease of living. Brothers and sisters, the Goa government has demonstrated this commitment towards good governance even during the corona period. Despite facing a myriad of challenges, the Goa team has extended all the assistance sent by the central government to every beneficiary without any discrimination. No stone was left unturned in helping every poor farmer and fisherman. Free ration is being delivered to the poor families of Goa with utmost sincerity for months together. Many sisters of Goa have found succor in difficult times by getting free gas cylinders. The farmers of Goa have received crores of rupees directly in their bank accounts from PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. Even during the corona period, small farmers here have got Kisan credit cards on mission mode. Moreover, a large number of farmers and fishermen of Goa have got the facility of Kisan credit card for the first time. Under the PM Swanidhi Yojana, street vendors are being given loans in Goa. All these efforts have helped the people of Goa a lot even during the floods. Brothers and sisters, Goa is a land of limitless possibilities. Goa is not just a state but also a strong identity of brand India. It is the responsibility of all of us to expand this role of Goa. Continuity is very necessary in the good work that is being done in Goa today. Goa is getting the benefits of political stability and good governance after a long time, with the wish that the people in Goa will continue with the same vein. Many congratulations to all of you again. Congratulations to Parmodji and his entire team. Thanks. Stop.